At Topweld, we specialize in creating custom equipment designed specifically for the abattoir industry. With years of experience, we understand your challenges and work closely with you to provide solutions that improve efficiency and meet industry standards. We offer a wide range of services. We do custom stainless steel abattoir equipment like this table and chutes and funnels, facility design and modification to optimize your abattoir's layout, workflow, and overall performance, modification and repair to enhance performance, extend its lifespan, and ensure compliance with industry standards. Preventive maintenance to maximize operational efficiency, reduce the risk of unexpected breakdowns, and prolong equipment life while maintaining a safe and hygienic working environment. And lastly, on-site welding and fabrication. Our experienced welders and fabricators provide on-site welding and fabrication services. Now let's talk about tallow tanks. In the abattoir industry, tallow tanks are used to store and handle rendered animal fat, known as tallow after processing. These tanks keep tallow in a liquid state with temperature control systems to prevent solidification, ensuring easy handling and transport. This is the Finite Element Analysis simulation of a tallow tank. We use this simulation to calculate and analyze stress, displacement, and the factor of safety of the tallow tank. And the results say the following design considerations of the tallow tank can support. The tallow tank experiences a dead load of 3 tons and a live load of 12 tons, resulting in a total load of 15 tons. Introducing the tallow tank, expertly crafted by Topweld. So, if you're looking to elevate your abattoir operations, contact Topweld today for quality services you can trust.